welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, which is the Indian look, guys. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So guys, let's get start this video. Hey guys, first for the moisturizer, here I'm using Biotic coconut cream. Guys, this is very thick consistency cream, so it is good for dry and combination skin. And guys, also I have combination skin, so this is very good for my skin. And guys, always आपको अपने फेस को अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करना है. So guys, after applying my moisturizer, next I'm going to use a primer. So that I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer, guys. It is a silicone based primer, so guys, it fill your pores and fine lines very easily, and also it provide a very smooth skin. So guys, I am going to apply my pores area. Next guys, for the foundation, here I am using Lakme 925 foundation, guys. This is my perfect match, and this is in the shade Warm Natural. So this is very affordable because guys, this is also available on discount, so you can definitely try this one. So guys, firstly I am spreading this on my face. And guys, also apply minimum foundation first, and next build it up, so that you will get a very natural finish. Next guys, I am going to blend this foundation using a beauty blender. And guys, always blend your foundation in dabbing motion, never drag your foundation. And guys, as you can see how easily it blends. सो गाइज डेफिनेटली मैं आपको ये फाउंडेशन रिकमेंड करने वाली हूँ. सो डेफिनेटली आप इसे एक बार ट्राई कीजिए, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, ब्लेंडेबल, प्लस आपको काफ़ी ड्राई आउट नहीं करेगा आपका फेस. एंड गाइज, अगर आप ऑयली स्किन टाइप के हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप वेट एंड वाइल्ड का फाउंडेशन यूज़ में ले सकते हैं, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. फॉर द कंसीलर, दिस इज माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट कंसीलर, और मैं इसे बार बार यूज़ में लेती रहती हूँ. सो दिस इज द स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर, गाइज, इन द शेड 0 to Sand.
So I'm going to apply my highlighting points, like under area, outer corner of my eyes, my eyelids, forehead, and that's it guys.
So guys, अपने फेस को हाईलाइट करने के लिए आपको कंसीलर इन एरिया पे अप्लाई करना है. नेक्स्ट गाइज, आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड दिस विद द सेम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. एंड गाइज, मुझे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है एज कम्पेयर टू ब्रश, बिकॉज गाइज ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर काफ़ी सीमलेस फिनिश देता है आपको. Next guys, for setting my base, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty loose powder. This is in the shade 0 to Banana, and this is very affordable and good powder.
It sets your makeup very beautifully. So I'm going to set my under eye first.
नेक्स्ट गाइस, मैं इस पाउडर को 2 मिनट के लिए इस तरह से ही छोड़ दूंगी, ताकि मेरा ओवरऑल फेस काफी अच्छे से सेट हो जाए. फॉर द आईब्रोज, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस मिस क्लियर आईब्रो पेंसिल. दिस इज इन द शेड 03 मीडियम ब्राउन, एंड गाइज, दिस इज वेरी अफोर्डेबल साइड आईब्रो पेंसिल, गाइज, एंड दिस इज वेरी क्रीमी, सो इट्स एप्लीकेशन इज वेरी स्मूथ. So guys, after filling my eyebrows, next I'm dust off the excess powder.
Hey guys, my base is looking so smooth.
Next is for the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow kit, guys, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air. And guys, also I'm going to start with the lighter shade. So first I'm going to pick this shade, and I'm going to apply in my crease. And guys, this is very beautiful shade, guys. So see guys, this is very beautiful shade.
Next guys, I'm going to pick this small brush, and guys, I'm going to pick this shade.
I'm going to place the shade lower than this shade. Next guys, I'm going to draw a cut crease, so that I'm using a concealer. Next guys, I'm going to apply this champagne shade on it using my finger. So guys, so for the outer corner, I'm picking the same shade and apply in my outer corner as well as my lower lash line. Next guys, for the liner, I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is the Biotic eyeliner guys. And guys, एक बार मैं आपको क्लोजअप से ये आई लुक दिखा देती हूँ. सो गाइज, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक पतला आईलाइनर ड्रॉ करूँगी, सो दैट मेरी आईज को एक शेप मिल जाए. So guys, next for the kajal, here I'm using Stay Quirky kajal, and I'm going to apply in my lower lash line. Next guys, for the bronzing, I'm going to use this Sugar Mini Bronzer Kit, and guys, this is very pigmented, so I'm going to contour using this. So guys, for the blush, I'm going to use this Stay Quirky blush. This is in the shade Peach Lady, and guys, this is very beautiful pinkish shade. And guys, इसमें shimmers नहीं है, so this is the matte blush. See, this is very pigmented. See guys how beautiful it looks. Lastly guys, I'm going to blend one more time using my beauty blender. So guys, for melting my powder product and setting my makeup, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven makeup fixer guys, and I'm going to spray it. This is very good and affordable side makeup fixer guys. Highlighting my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter guys. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and this is, so guys, this is very beautiful golden highlighter guys.
See guys how beautiful it is.
And guys, also I'm going to highlight my inner corner.
And the brow bone.
And guys, for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Nika K lipstick. This is in the shade Turkish Rose, and this is very mauvish pink shade guys. So I'm going to apply this. And guys, also for outlining my lips, I'm going to use this Glam 21 in the shade Angel Pink, and that's it guys. So guys, after wearing my bindi, my look is like this. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys. Take care guys. Bye bye.